Florence Osborne presents the Science Lab. Hope you like it. X-rays. What did I find out about X-rays? X-rays were first named and studied in 1895 in Germany. Dogs have 319 bones and we only have 206. Have you ever had an X-ray before? The first pocket calculators went on sale in 1970. What are the names of some of the bones? Daddy's going to tell you.
We have the clavicle, the humerus, radius, ulna, fibula, tibia, scapula, pelvis, femur. 100%.
Dynamite was invented in 1867 by a Swedish engineer, Alfred Nobel. Gunpowder was first used to make fireworks. The Sun is the heart of the solar system. 8 planets circle or orbit around it. Planets. What are the names of the planets in the solar system? Mars, Earth, Jupiter, Venus, Saturn, Uranus, Mercury, Neptune. Are these facts true or false? There are more tigers in the state of Texas than there are in the wild. Your tongue can detect just 4 different types of tastes. At least 60 million people alive today are descendants of genus Can. True, there are only 3,000 tigers in the wild, but more in zoos and as pets in Texas. False, there are 5 detectable tastes. There are sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and umami.
And true, he had large families in each region of his empire.
Are these facts true or false? A harp has the most strings of any instrument. Submarines can go all the way around the world while remaining underwater. Sharks evolved before dinosaurs. True, all nuclear submarines can go round the world. True, sharks evolved over 100 million years before dinosaurs. False, a grand piano has the most strings. Hope you liked it, my science lab. Learn and listen by Florence Osborne. See you soon.